So, Google's upcoming Pixel phones are rumored to feature a next-gen Tensor chip, unlocking new AI-powered capabilities, according to leaked documents obtained by Android Authority. One standout feature expected for the Pixel 11 is an enhanced version of Video Boost with Night Sight, designed to brighten videos captured in low light. Currently, Google's Night Sight technology optimizes exposure, stabilizes footage, and reduces graininess using AI. The Pixel 9 further improves video quality through a combination of on-device and cloud-based processing. However, the Pixel 11 is rumored to introduce an ultra-low-light video mode that operates entirely on-device thanks to a more powerful Tensor processor. Starting next year, Google is expected to replace the modified Samsung Exynos chips in its Pixel lineup with custom processors. The Pixel 10 will likely debut the Tensor G5 chip, which could enable new AI features, including a video generative ML tool that brings AI-assisted video editing to the Photos app. Other reported features include Sketch to Image, which converts drawings into images, similar to Samsung's AI tools. Leaks also mention tools like Speak to Tweak and a Magic Mirror, though further details remain scarce. The Tensor G5 chip may also support running Stable Diffusion directly on the device. This could allow users to generate AI images locally within the Pixel Studio app, which currently uses a mix of on-device AI and Google's cloud-based Imagen 3 model for image generation. Additionally, leaked information indicates the Pixel 10 will support 4K HDR video recording at 60 frames per second, an improvement over the Pixel 9's 30 FPS cap. These rumored features signal Google's push to integrate advanced AI capabilities into its smartphones, offering users powerful creative tools. The company aims to provide a seamless AI experience without relying heavily on cloud processing, setting its devices apart in a competitive market. If these rumors hold, Google's next-generation phones could significantly elevate the AI landscape, appealing to users who value cutting-edge technology. With enhanced video, creative tools, and AI integration, Google's Pixel lineup is positioning itself as a leader in both performance and innovation. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 10 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.